Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a quick and easy dinner. I'm about to cook some bell peppers with shrimp and sausage stir fry over rice. Got my skillet hot and ready. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be using some avocado oil. All right, I'm gonna do the sausage first. I got it already cut up in the coins. Great Value just came out with this chicken sausage, so I decided to try it out. All right, now I'm gonna add my shrimp in. Let that cook for a little bit and I'll be back. All right. All right, looking good. All right, now I'm gonna add my vegetables in. Got my bell pepper already cut up. I put the peppers in last because I don't want them to overcook. I still want them to have a little crunch. I'm gonna put a little bit of complete season. And a little bit of sea salt. All right, I'm gonna let that simmer for a few minutes. All right, y'all, this is done. So easy and simple. Look at that. Don't that look good? If y'all are short on time, get some pre-made rice. This is the best brand to get. I buy all the time. The rice comes out perfect. Just 1 minute. All right, y'all, dinner is served. This is so quick and easy to make. If you don't have a lot of time, if you don't want to take a long time cooking, this is something simple to do, easy. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one.